People tell us all the time how different our office is, and it's the experience that makes it separate. The number one thing when you walk through the doors is that we care about you, we care about your health, we care about your lifestyle, and that lends to having probably the number one experience they're ever going to have. When people talk about our exam process here in the office, I want to tell you about that, because we use the latest cutting-edge technology, from digital x-ray to surface EMG to nerve conduction study to postural analysis to computer gait scan analysis, and we're here to find out what's causing the problem, not just treating signs and symptoms. And I think that blows a lot of people away. But on top of that as well, we also sit down and we review the results together, and we objectify what can we do to help you manage, correct. What is it that we can do for you to help you get to the ideal health you would love? When people go through our process, from exam to results, and we get into the treatment part of it, I think the reason why so many people have such amazing results is the fact that they're educated like never before, they're involved in the process like never before, and we go heads and tails above to get them probably better than they ever were before. I think people are excited to come to the office because we're excited about having them. From me, from my staff, all the way down the line, we're really excited about what's going on in their lives, whether it's kids, whether it's sports, whether it's outside activities. That's what makes us us. We see a lot of kids and a lot of families. It's so cool to see them from newborns to toddlers, then into school age and high school, and then off to university, and it's a blessing to be a part of their lives and certainly a part of their healthcare team. So I want to welcome you to my practice. I want to welcome you to Needham Spine Center, and I can't wait to meet you.